Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. Today's news headlines for School Morning Assembly. 5 lakh jobs given in Uttar Pradesh under BJP rule. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla said that India to take all possible steps to bring back citizens from Ukraine. Twitter appointed Samiran Gupta head of public policy team in India. PM dials Russian President Putin appeals for immediate end to violence in Ukraine. 12 cases of rare disease Guillain-Barré syndrome emerge in Gujarat town. External Affairs Ministers Jay Shankar on Thursday night speaks to US diplomat Russian minister amid Ukraine crisis. Tripura High Court bans animal slaughtering in public places. And now some international news. US House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi on Thursday said that US to provide $600 million to Ukraine for lethal weapons to fight against Russia. President Volodymyr Zelensky addressed in a video, "Today we have lost 137 of our heroes, our citizens, military and civilian. Another 316 people had been injured. Some 1 lakh displaced in Ukraine, thousands flee after Russia attack, and several thousands more had left the country since neighboring Russia invaded early Thursday." Ukraine's army no match for Russia in manpower, weapons, and experience. And now some sports news. IPL 2022 to begin on March 26, 40% crowd to be allowed during matches. Novak Djokovic out of Dubai hands Daniil Medvedev world number 1 ranking. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.